Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Artikia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a wedding hijab tutorial. It's a back volume hijab style and it's actually specific for those who requested me to do this style showing some pictures. If you want to know how to create this hijab look, please keep watching and do subscribe my channel for getting more styles of hijab, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get all notifications every time. This hijab style with net dress and some hair jewelry looks very royal and elegant when you wear this on your wedding day. At first, take a white Jorjet hijab with stone work to place it over my head and take it to the back. Now adding this net piece to make this style more elegant. And now move rest of the hijab to the back to make more voluminous. Here I am using a Kundon as a headpiece. It's attached with this pin which is slightly bigger than the normal pin. have to add as many pins as possible because it's really important to secure the veil in place. So, this is the complete final look. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you have any question, don't forget to comment. Thanks for watching this video.